ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Are we ready?
It's been on.
It's been recording this whole time?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, welcome everyone to our channel. If you have not seen our videos before, just check our channel out, please. Today we have a guest, Miss Leilani. She's going to help us with our video today. I'm Daniel, and Maria's behind the camera like always. So for today's video, we're going to install this light bar, 30-inch rough country curved light bar. It goes behind the grill, and hopefully we'll succeed in that. Alright, so the first step is removing the radiator shroud. Leilani's going to show you how to do it. So you got to take off these plastic tabs and pry up the button and then get underneath it and pop it out, just like this. Okay, so it comes off the radiator shroud, just like that. Good job, Leilani. So the next step is going to be to removing the bolts off the top of the grill. These are 10mm bolts. And just take it off. This one and this one. Alright, so next step after you get the 4 bolts out is you got the plastic clips that hold the grill on, and you just have to pull it out, and let's see how easy it's going to be.
Okay. Oh!
It came off.
You broke something.
Probably a plastic piece. What does it look like? Alright, so we just got done removing the grill. You just have to pull and tug it. There's clips on the grill, on the back of the grill, that goes here and here, here, here. So you just have to pull it, and eventually it's going to come out.
Where does it go?
Alright, so the straight bar is going to go behind the radiator support. You line up the 3 holes. And then this one with the several different holes, the notch, is going to go, well, with it in this position, down. It's going to go out right over it.
Oh, okay.
So like that. Alright, so we got the bolt washer, and then another washer and a lock nut. And then you do the rest.
Get up.
Yeah.
Good job.
Alright, now we gotta do the other side the same way. So yeah, just do the same thing on this side as you did on the other side. Alright, so for a 2016 Chevy, it's the bottom 2 holes, so Leilani's gonna put this in there. These are the 1/2 inch.
Show them the positioning of the thing, maybe. So you have this outside.
Yeah, the tab's gonna be facing out towards us, out towards the front. So you're gonna have a bolt, washer on the back, and a Teflon nut on the back after that. Okay, now can you grab
The other
other side?
right here.
Hold on.
You have a bloodline of mechanics.
True. Your grandpa's.
Grandpa Rudy and me, and then your great grandpa. So we got it mounted where we want it. We do have the wire going on this side because we're going to have a dual battery system in the future. So what you want to do, the wire or the kit comes with a wiring harness. Alright, so the kit will come with a wiring harness. After you get it mounted, you get the plug that plugs into the light bar itself. And then you have the positive and negative wires, like so. And then you have the little fuse comes with. Sorry. And then there's a relay. You can mount it anywhere. And then you have a little on and off switch. So when you mount it in the cab, you can turn on and off from the cabin. We're going to be having it hooked up to the S-Pod, so a little bit easier. And the wiring we have is actually going through the driver's side, because we're going to have a battery on this side.
Yeah,
for
the
dual battery kit. So, but for now, for temporarily, we're going to hook it up, test the lights out before we put the grill on. Because we don't want to put the grill on and then come to find out it doesn't work.
Yeah.
That would be a bad situation. First, you're going to loosen up the negative. Be careful not to drop it. Alright, and then you're going to grab the black cable and put it over here. Like I said, this is just temporarily for us, so we can test it out. And okay, put the positive. Ooh. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Got it wired up temporarily. Got the on and off button switch right here.
And the red lights on.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Boom.
Ooh.
Now let me look at it. I can see it.
It looks nice.
Oh, that is.
It's very bright.
Yep, that should do the trick. So now we're gonna turn it off. And then
oh no.
we're gonna, our neighbor's dog. We're gonna I'll just turn it off, and then we're gonna put the grill on.
Okay. We use this one to repaint this. What do you call this one?
It's just like a inner piece of the grill.
Yeah. Which kind of like caught our attention because it was fading.
Yeah, it's a hard plastic, and over time it'll fade to like a grayish color.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a black truck, it shows out pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so next is putting the grill back on. Line up the clips, and hopefully line up the bar.
The light now, oh my god, it looks so freaking good. It does look so good. It's very bright though. Just trying to like, oh, it's very bright.
Alright, so that's it for today. This install really wasn't that hard. Like you saw my daughter, she was doing most of the work, so and she just turns 14 tomorrow. So I will say this is kind of like a disclaimer. If you are just hooking it up to your factory battery, Be mindful, because if you don't use your truck every day, it can cause it to drain your battery. We are going to do a dual battery setup, so that's where it's going to be hooked up for us. So we don't have to worry about that issue. So if you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, don't be afraid. Come down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Ciao.